And the panini has arrived. All right, so I have come out to Zadar in Croatia, and so far it's a wonderful place. We've just been walking around in the old town a bit, so I decided to go for a quick long weekend kind of a getaway, and they had some really cheap tickets, like 50 euros to fly here, so I thought I'll check it out. And so far I think it's amazing. It's a really nice place. It's just a month before tourist season kicks in, so it's kind of calm and nice, and I like that. So I'll keep exploring here today. There's lots of these Roman columns lying about. Looks pretty cool. Turning it into some kind of a sculpture park, which I really like. So this would have been the Roman province of Illyria back in the day. So if anybody can read Latin, it'd be interesting to see what it says here. The Adriatic Sea. So in Zadar they got this new what looks like to be a newly built walk along the coast here. And it's quite spectacular. It looks nice and clean, and it goes on for quite a long while. And as it is now, with not too much people, it's a really nice walk. And look at that sea. The water looks fantastic. Hey. It's nice little things.
What's so nice with you?
Yeah. Restaurant Poseidon. These are the back streets of Zadar. And yeah, it's really nice. Got the usual gelateria, and these kind of street side restaurants. Oh yeah, they even got a photo store. So if I run out of film, that's where I could go. Cool. So come down to the harbor. It's at the tip of the old town. And over there you can see the new town. It'll be New Zadar. Americans are fat. That's the kind of graffiti you find around here. Well, they're not wrong, are they? They're not wrong. See, not everything is tip-top around here. It's kind of mixed in with these old buildings and remnants from what I would guess is more the communist era. Yes, stumbled upon what could be the Zadar market. Got all kinds of stuff here. It's quite big. Fruits, vegetables. Oh, that's pretty cool. take it. Zadar cat. This is some kind of a hidden little terrazzo. Looks really cute. Really cool. Wow. Party district of Zadar. Got crazy pizza, hamburger. Oh, holy moly. I guess it's Friday. This place was empty yesterday, but there's something going on. Wow, well, I gotta ask at some point if it's a student thing going on or something. Feels a bit early for student stuff, but I'll see if we can find out. Found what is as closest to a waterfront cafe as possible. Trying out the local beer, the Pan, and let's see. It's really good, very nice. We've now gone outside of the old center. Let's see what we can find here. There's a cute little red house, and there should be a park over here. I'm just gonna explore that a bit. Something here that looks like an old well, maybe. Well, it's a nice little park, this. I find it kind of relaxing. It's a good alternative if the city center gets too crowded. Come out here, read a book or something. Pretty nice. Some random Roman stuff here. So these things are dotted around a little bit everywhere in the town, where they're just kept alive like this, which is pretty cool, I think. Couple of hours later, coming back to the same place. Yeah, it's picking up steam here. Is our place where we're staying? Oh, it's not. Oh, here it is. Can't see for all the smoke. Yeah?
I finished school. I just asked the ice cream lady. I said, do you know what this?
So that's a mystery solved then. Oh no. Somebody got unlucky. Yeah, so it seems like it's school's out. School's out. That's the thing.
Let's go!
So you can see the prices here. They're kind of okay. $5.50 for an omelette, and some eggs, $8.9. It's not cheap by any stretch of the imagination, but it's not completely crazy as well. Seen on the restaurants, some can be pretty overpriced sometimes. So $5.50 for an omelette, that's what I'm going for. So that's the omelette, and it looks pretty damn good. And we got a mixed, what was it called?
Dalmatian breakfast.
The Dalmatian breakfast. I'm gonna try something that's called Pecksnack. It's like little pizzas, cheese and things. Seems to be a thing that people like here. Hey, so some Pecksnacks. Could have one pizza. Yes. Well, one pizza, one bacon. Mini Schunkasur as well. Schunkasur. Yeah. So sitting down outside the Pecksnack place. Gonna munch on these. Good nibbles. Well, let's try one here. So this would be the pizza Pecksnack. That's pretty good. So we're in a tiny restaurant that's actually pretty nice. Got the beers in, ordered some risotto. We're gonna see how that looks like. Risotto Diavolo, and it's kind of spicy. And you got your pasta, spaghetti.
Spaghetti tuna.
Spaghetti tuna. See what the quality is? Oh, it's a bit hot. It's really good though. Going down to the coast in the evening here. It's been too cloudy today for any of the epic sunsets, but Zadar is famous for great sunsets. This is not it perhaps, but it still looks nice. The light here is awesome. So it was a nice little walk going around into the marina, and then oh yeah, so there is the famous wall walk. We'll try that soon. Gonna take a quick look in an evening walk on the wall, perhaps. That would be the bridge leading over to mainland Zadar, if I can call it, or New Zadar. So if you ever wondered how much involvement Zadar had in the Yugoslav war in the 90s, it's quite a lot. This map showcases where the Serbs shelled and damaged buildings. It's quite a bit.
This is the vessel. This is the vessel.
Dog battle. So this is New Zadar. Wouldn't be surprised if everything is half price here. Hey. You have rakia.
Rakia?
Yeah. So here we got some slivo, the Croatian version. Yeah.